On today's episode of Can She Soap It? I used an ebook written by Amanda Aaron called Making Salt Bars. While this recipe is not directly from her book, I won't give away too much about how I made the soap because I used a lot of tips, tricks, and inspiration from her book. However, you can purchase her literature at levinsoap.com.